Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another informative and useful video. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be show you how to fix contacts not showing in WhatsApp on iPhone. So guys, if you are facing this problem and you don't know that how can you fix this issue. So guys, in this video I will show you how can you fix it. So let's start our video without wasting any time. So first of all guys, you have to just simply open settings. Now from here guys, tap on your profile, and from here guys, simply tap on iCloud, and after that tap on show all, and from here guys, you have to make sure that the contact toggle is turned on. If it is turned off, then simply turn it on, and after that again go back and scroll it below and locate for the WhatsApp. So guys, here it is. So guys, simply tap on it, and from here guys, you have to make sure that the contact toggle is turned on from WhatsApp, and after that hopefully your problem will be fixed. So guys, in this way you can easily fix your problem. So that's it for today guys, hope this video helps you. If you like the video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.